In this video, I want to demonstrate one of my favorite Gmail features, which is scheduling email. Compose your email as you normally would, and to the right of the Send button, click on the drop-down icon and click Schedule Send. Google will give you a few scheduling options, or you can select Pick Date and Time. Here you can select the date, you can customize the time, and when ready, click Schedule Send. All of your scheduled emails will appear in the Scheduled Gmail label. By clicking on an email, you can view the details of your email and when it's scheduled to send. If you want to edit the email or change the date and time of when the email is scheduled to be sent, simply click on Cancel Send. Make your edits and reschedule the email. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.